Hi, so we're here in the heart of the Welsh Government complex in Cardiff for a new type of workshop. Highways Magazine and Welsh Government working together to find a new approach to maintenance, combining high productivity and low carbon. This is a workshop that's designed to bring contractors and the whole supply chain, as well as clients from national and local government together.
Well, we all need to work together, to be fair. The industry needs to know, I suppose, that there is a pipeline of work coming forward. And then many of the good initiatives that are happening out there in the real world, shall we say, can be brought to bear.
I was really pleased by how many ideas were coming out from across the various disciplines. It was a very well-balanced audience, and people's openness as well. Things can be a bit guarded sometimes, but there's a really good level of engagement, and I thought that was really positive.
The Welsh Government are at the forefront of using innovation and the new technologies what are available. Having an open forum like this was extremely good. Some of the discussions I don't think would have happened in normal circumstances.
I thought the workshop was brilliant today. There was a lot of take-homes from it. One of the ones was about the skill shortage. And the other one was about collaboration. You know, we've got to work together.
I thought first of all, it's a fantastic event, and it enabled people to speak freely and can be innovative as well. So that was really, really cool.